Hello guys, welcome to Dotnet Tutor. In this video, we are going to see what is VS Code and how to install it. VS Code is a popular free and open source code editor which was developed by Microsoft. It is highly customizable and it is developed by not only .NET developers, other developers also can use VS Code. So it is available in Mac OS, Linux and Windows. So the features of VS Code, if we see, it is having code editing feature as many other editors did, like it is having some extensions and integrated terminal, git integration, debugging support, IntelliSense, customizable themes, live share. So it is having inbuilt like a syntax. It will show the syntax whether it is correct or not. Before only it will highlight us, so we can a developer can understand whether our syntax is correct or not. So it is giving some suggestions. So IntelliSense means like it is giving some suggestions based on whatever code developer have written. So it will show some error like this. If it is having some syntax error, it will show with red line some error it will show. And it is having some extensions means if we want some additional feature, so we can just install the extension and we can have it. So in terminal means like if you like command prompt, in VS Code also we are having a terminal. So in that terminal we can handle the code by using some commands. And git integration means we can manage the code with the team. We can share the code by using git commands. We can take the latest code from the repository by using git commands. Debugging support means after writing the code, we will debug the code to find out where our error is getting. So themes, customizable themes like light theme, dark theme, we will having in this code editor. Live share means we can share the screen while developing our code. So let's install the VS Code. Let's see the installation process. I'm going to Google VS Code, type installation. So I'm going to website Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio is different, Visual Studio Code is different. And we are having Windows, Mac, Linux. Presently I'm using Windows, so I'm clicking on it. So click on download. Actually we are already downloading in the process. When we click here, it is downloaded. So we can see in the folder. Just double click on it. Accept the agreement. Click next. Click next. I'm creating a desktop icon. Clicking next. Just install it. That's it guys. Our VS Code installation is finished. It will open VS Code. I will explain the features of VS Code while developing. Please stay tuned on .NET Tutor. Thank you. Thank you very much. Here these are the themes. We can select dark, modern, dark, high contrast. Okay, we can select light, high contrast. So it is showing some welcome screen. I prefer dark mode. That's it guys, we can start developing in this code editor. That's it, thank you for now, and please stay tuned on .NET Tutor.